What are you talking about? Why don't you tell me what you're saying? Yeah? Yeah? You gonna tell me what you did today with Mommy? Huh? Is that all? That's all you had to say? You like talking with... Oh, okay. You like talking with... Okay, Daddy will just shut up. Oh. Okay. I tricked you this time. You don't even know the camera's on, do you? Say no. I don't know. Oh, really? Oh, what's up with the wide eyes? Huh? Whoa, what's up with the crazy eyes? What do you want to say? You want to keep talking? Oh. I'm sorry. Daddy just interrupts you all the time. Oh. You're very active this evening. Right? What are you yelling at? Why are you yelling? Really? Oh, look at the light. Mommy just turned the light on. You gonna say some more stuff? Probably not, right? Oh. We're getting it all on video. Haha. Usually you stop talking when we turn the video camera on. Not this time. What? Say it. You gonna laugh? Come on. Oh no. There's the little smile. Right? Come on. No more talking? No? Alright, I think we're done. That's a little gas, huh? You got a little gas? Oh, man. I know. You getting used to the camera now? We're all done, I think, right? Say bye. With that tongue sticking out. Put that tongue back in your mouth. What in the world? No, no smiles. All right. Say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye. Say bye. Bye. he's pooping. Oh, he's pooping.
Oh, I'm gonna leave the camera on. Catch a little poopy action. Oh, Daddy's silly, right?
You don't poopies? You don't poops? I don't poops. You got this one.
What you got? You gonna say something else? No?
What are you
Okay,
doing?
that's all.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.